There once was a seminary, a happy seminary, where everyone was happy. And then there came to this seminary, to this happy seminary, one who was not. You see, he hated church history.
I hate church history. I hate church history.
But Brother Smith, how can you hate church history? It's the most wonderful of all the years.
I hate church history. Why are you speaking in an English accent?
Well, it's just something I'm trying out. The sophomores won't know.
Humbug! From the beginning to the end, what a bunch of blibber blabber. All those names and faces to remember? Bah, humbug! That's it! I've had it! No more scripture! No more scripture marked in pencils! And you're working on the 24th of July! Church history! I hate church history! Bah, humbug! But suddenly, I'm so sleepy. So sleepy. So sleepy.
Brother Smith! Brother Smith!
Brother Thomas? I thought you died or went to Eastmont years ago. What are you doing here?
I've actually come back to warn you, Brother Smith. You've lost the true spirit of church history.
Church history? Bah! Humbug!
Tonight, you will be visited by 3 ghosts to teach you the true meaning of church history.
But Brother Thomas, whatever do you mean? Who are these 3 ghosts? Stay and tell me more.
Wait for the 3 ghosts.
What the my goodness? 3 ghosts? But I am really tired. Wake up. Brother Davenport?
No, I'm not Brother Davenport. I am the ghost of church history past. I've come to show you the importance of your heritage. Come with me now.
Whoa! Where are we?
Brother Smith, this is the top of Big Mountain. It was here the pioneers came, and Brigham Young looked just beyond those mountains. And this is the spot where he had envisioned, where he said, this is the place.
Wow, I did not know that.
Can you imagine leaving your home, leaving your family, just to come to this wilderness? Well, they did. Let's go to the next spot.
Whoa, where are we now?
Here stands the statue of Joseph Smith and Brigham Young. It was the vision of Joseph Smith that inspired Brigham Young to bring the saints down to the valley.
I did not know that.
I love this statue of this family praying. It shows their faith and diligence as they sacrifice many things. But you can see they faithfully prayed to the Lord for all things. And this is part of the reason why we're here in the valley, is because of all the things that they sacrificed for us so that we could be here today.
Wow, I can't believe they did so much for me.
I think I'm finally starting to get the vision. I think you are. There's just one more place we need to go.
Yeah, I'm getting used to this.
Here's Ensign Peak, where Brigham Young came with 8 men to set up an ensign to the nations.
Is this where they would start to build temples?
Yeah, they decided they'd start to build a temple right there in the Salt Lake Valley. After which, man, there's plenty of temples here today.
I didn't realize that so much had been done for me and for us.
The journey doesn't stop here. Today you'll be visited by 2 other ghosts.
I really think I'm starting to get this church history stuff. Don't go, Spirit!
I have to go.
Where was I? What's going on? I gotta tell somebody about this. I gotta tell them. I gotta tell them. Ah! I landed on my keys!
Did you have a nice trip? It's a good thing it's fall.
Who are you?
I'm the ghost of church history present.
I suppose you've come to torment me too?
No, I've come to show you how wonderful it is to be a member of church history right now in the present. Come on. Let me show you some of the things that are happening in church history right now.
Right now?
Right now.
Whoa, where are we now?
This is Temple Square, the headquarters of the church. Some of the most amazing things are happening in church history right now, right here,
Right as we speak?
as we speak.
You mean church history is going on right now?
Right now, going on in this very location. Why, there's the temple that was built years ago, the administrative building where the prophets and apostles now have their offices, the church office building where all the goings-on happen of the church, the conference centers across the street where thousands of individuals can come and hear from our prophets. This is church history.
Wow, I guess I never realized that there were so many wonderful things happening in our church right before my eyes.
Yes, Brother Smith, there are great things happening in church history right now. That sound means it's time for us to go, Brother Smith.
No, don't. You still have so much more to teach me.
I'm sorry, but it's time.
Hello? Hello? Where is everybody? Where did they all go? Ah! You must be the final spirit. From whence do you come, spirit? No! Have you been sent here to torment me? Missionary board? show me the missionary board. Students? My students? My students will be better missionaries in the future if they understand church history? You mean some of my students might not even go on missions if they don't understand church history? No! How can I avoid this? How? Where are we now, Spirit? The temple? Are you saying that if my students don't understand church history, they won't want to go to the temple? They won't get married in the temple? They won't come to the temple to do baptisms for the dead? And they won't get to eat in the really cool, awesome cafeteria that's in the bottom of the temple? Oh, Spirit, how can this be? Why didn't I appreciate church history? Why? Why? Spirit, what is this place? Why have you brought me to the cemetery? What is this? Are you saying that my students will die spiritually if I don't understand church history? Spirit, no! I want to live! I want their testimonies to live! No! No! I'm back. It hasn't happened yet. So there's still time. I've got to tell them. I've got to tell everyone about church history. Soccer girl, what day is it?
It's the first day of school, sir.
Run to the distribution center and get the largest set of scriptures you can find and take it to the Griffiths house.
From that day forward, Brother Smith was a changed man. The light of the gospel had entered his heart, and his love for church history, past, present, and future, would cause all who met him to exclaim with one voice,
God bless us, everyone.
That's right, Sister Williams. God blesses everyone that studies church history.